The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. President Hassan Sheikh Mohammud returns home. Seminars on child rights and control harmful practices in Asaba region. Syria condemns U.S. destruction policies. And the Taliban has accused Pakistan of killing 8 women and children overnight. Raw local news. President Hassan Sheikh Mohammud of the Federal Republic of Somalia has returned home this afternoon, 18th March, after concluding a 2-day working visit to Eritrea. During his visit, President Mohammud and President Isaias held discussions at the State House yesterday, 17th March, focusing on the strengthening bilateral ties and mutual cooperation, as well as addressing regional and global development of mutual interest. In an interview with ERi-TV, President Mohammud highlighted the purpose of his visit, which was to update President Isaias on Somalia's efforts to combat terrorism and to discuss the progress in bilateral relations between the two nations, along with regional and international developments. President Mohammud also expressed his gratitude for the Eritrea's support to Somalia. The meeting also saw the participation of Mr. Usman Saleh, the Minister of Foreign Affairs. From March 2nd to 15th, seminars aimed at emphasizing child rights and combating underage marriage and female genital mutilation were held across the 9 subzones in the Asaba region. The seminar was organized by committees dedicated to overseeing children's rights, establishing in collaboration with the Ministries of Labor and Social Welfare, Health, and the National Union of Eritrean Women. These sessions shed light on the determinal effects of underage marriage and FGM on the psychological and physical health of females. During the closing event in Karen City, Mr. Razana Araya, the mayor of Karen, called on unified efforts to eliminate these harmful practices and stressed the importance of regularly reviewing the progress made in this regard. Mr. Zarai, the regional head of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare, encouraged the committee to exert greater influence on the community and ensure their active participation in curbing these determinable practices. Colonel Sfat Ngamai, director of the social service in the region, appealed the village elders and religious leaders to contribute significantly to this initiative. The seminars provided detailed insights into harmful practices with particular focus on underage marriage. The discussions concluded with adoption of several proposals, including enforcement of strict measures against underage marriage and improving coordinations and public awareness efforts. The National School Leaving Examination of the academic year 2023-2024 commenced today, 18th March, across the country and at the International Eritrean Community Schools in Jeddah and Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This national examination, which spans 12 fields of study, is scheduled to run until 25th March. It is being held in 26 testing centers throughout Eritrea, along with 2 additional centers situated in the international schools in Saudi Arabia. A total of 30,779 students, half of whom are females, are set to participate in this year's exams. According to the testing center at the Higher Education Institution, and research highlighted a significant increase in participation, noting that the number of students taking the exam this year has risen by 45% compared to the previous years. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Just stay tuned. Welcome back. Syria's foreign minister on Sunday strongly denounced a recent joint statement by the United States, Britain, France, and Germany as perpetuation of the destructive policies. The ministry said in joint statement was continuation of the destructive policies that these countries have been imposing on Syria for the past 13 years. On the 13th anniversary of the breakout of the Syrian conflict on March 15th, the United States, Britain, France, and Germany issued a joint statement accusing the regime of the Syrian President Bashar al-Assad of committing widespread oppression and atrocities, resulting over 500,000 deaths and massive displacement. The Syrian foreign minister accused in a statement of the four countries of utilizing various tools of war against Syria, including inciting campaigns, spreading misleading information, supporting terrorist organizations and separatist militias, creating a legitimate alliance, and imposing inhuman unilateral forces measures on the Syrian people. On last news, Zabihullah Mujahid, a spokesperson of the Taliban government, said the reckless strikes had hit homes near the border with Pakistan at about 3 local a.m. Pakistan has yet to comment. But this comes after President Asif Ali Zardar vowed to respond strongly to the death of 7 troops killed by the unknown militaries on Sunday. Speaking at the funeral of the 2 troops on Sunday, President Zardar added, retaliation would come regardless of who it is or which country. On Saturday, attack on the military post took place close to the Afghan border with North Waziristan. Pakistan said it was a launch from Afghan, one of the rising numbers attacks in the recent months, according to its government. A local government official who asked to remain anonymous told the news agency AFP on Monday morning attacks, of course, and Pakti province were retaliation of the Saturday's death. The viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. President Hassan Sheikh Mohammud returns home. Seminar on child rights and control harmful practices in the Al-Sabah region. Syria condemns U.S. destruction policies. Taliban has accused Pakistani of killing 8 women and 2 children overnight airstrikes in Afghanistan. That is all the local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.